Let them keep talking. By the way, guys, whoever bought somebody bought two Supreme Papa John's pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. That was the first Bitcoin transaction. It's worth $1 billion today. Hope those pizzas were delicious. Don't sell your Bitcoin. Don't buy pizza with your Bitcoin. So when they're talking, just let them keep talking. It's like holding your Bitcoin. So when they're like, our budget's 1.7, write it down, right? Boom. Just out of curiosity, how'd you arrive at that? Even if you're way off of that number, just let them keep talking. Because then worst case, you've got all of this extra data and then go, hey, can you do something for our budget? Totally understand. I know based on everything you told me, we're at 1.7 million. You've got it written down, you're circling it. Here's what I'd like to do. I'd like to hold that off to the side because you brought up some extra points as far as this is. If we're not able to get that, it doesn't matter what we're doing. If we can hold the budget off to the side, I'd like to make sure that I understand the scope, because on my understanding of the scope, that's going to allow me to, if we do need to remove things from the scope of work that would save money, I'm happy to do that. But the last thing I want to do is simply try and scope something based on any particular budget, high or low, because that's self-serving to me and it's not going to give you the solution that you guys are looking for. Fair enough, but let them keep talking. You can talk about budget all day long. It doesn't mean you're going to have to give them the price that they set the budget for. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University Sales Coaching. If you like this video, I think I'm about to become your new best friend because I want to cover the cost for you to get the closing mini masterclass. The $299, I'm paying for it for you. It's free for you. Click the link somewhere around here or simply comment with the word closer. I'll cover the $299. You'll get the closing mini masterclass, make a lot more money, and I'll be your new best friend. I'll see you over in the closing masterclass.